In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a pitchfork on TradingView step by step. A pitchfork is a simple yet powerful tool for mapping trend direction and potential areas of support and resistance. It builds a central median line and two parallel bands that help you visualize price behavior. Let's set it up together. First, look to the left toolbar on your TradingView chart. Click the Drawings or Shapes icon. You'll recognize it by the diagonal line with a small square on it. This opens a panel of drawing tools. From the drop-down, select Pitchfork. Your cursor will now be ready to place the three pivot points that define the tool. Think of these pivots as anchors that tell the pitchfork where the recent market swings are. Start by clicking on the chart to set your first pivot point. This is usually a significant high or low, a clear turning point where price changed direction. Choosing a meaningful pivot helps the pitchfork align with the overall move. Next, click to set the second pivot point. This should be the opposite swing, either the next notable high if your first point was a low, or the next notable low if your first point was a high. Try to pick clean, obvious swings so the structure is accurate. Then click to set the third pivot point. This final anchor completes the pitchfork, and TradingView will automatically generate the median line with parallel channel lines on either side. You'll see how price respects these lines, often reacting around the median and its parallels. If the placement isn't quite right, you can fine-tune it. To adjust the lines, simply click and drag any of the three pivot points. As you move them, the entire pitchfork will flex to match your new anchors. Take a moment to align it with the most relevant swings for your analysis. To customize the look, click the gear icon on the pitchfork to open settings. Here you can change the color, line style, or thickness. Choose a color that stands out against your chart background, and a thickness that's easy to see without overwhelming your view. A subtle style can be helpful if you have multiple drawings, and if you no longer need it, it's easy to clean up. Just right-click the pitchfork and select Remove. This deletes the drawing from your chart so you can stay organized. That's all there is to it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.